guys, today I'm doing a room tour on room 10009 on Holland, America. So right when you walk in, on your door, you have your safety stuff. You put your key in your little slot to turn on the lights. Here for the bathroom, you have a very nice mirror with a light around, your sink, your drinking glasses for when you brush your teeth. Your shower is a very nice size. Your toilet, also a very nice size too. Here you have your closets, which are a very good size. You have your other closet that's same size, just with like drawers. Here, this is where your safe is, and you have storage. Here, this is where your mini fridge is. On most cruises that I go on, they're on the floor, but this one was on top, like where the, like on top of a dresser basically. Here, you have more drawers. You have 3 drawers, and they're a very good size. Here, you have a cabinet where you can put your pop like Coke, Pepsi, your wine, and your beer. Here, you have where you can put your towels and your bags. Here, if it's Christmas, maybe you can put your stockings there. Your TV is a very nice size. Here under your bed, you have like a lot of room. If you're wondering what the wood is there, I'll show you at the front of the bed. So basically, at the front of the bed, you have drawers, which are very, very useful because you have a lot more space to put. See, I would put my shoes here because that's like a better idea basically. Here you have your life jackets, art, and a very nice couch. Your where you can do makeup. You can also put like pop still. Here it was kind of hard to open the balcony door because you had to twist it a lot. It was kind of weird. But here your balcony is very nice. You have 2 chairs, a table, and yeah. So thanks for watching my room tour, guys. See you in the next video. Bye!